In all the years we've done this show, we have learned that farmers have a special type of spirit, and to grow the perfect potato, that spirit seems to be genetic. On a farm near Pasco, you'll find second-generation farmer Jordan Reed, who was born to farm.
As soon as I was old enough to go, I wanted to go. I'd sleep in the pickup, I'd sleep in the tractor, it didn't matter what. I was going, he wasn't leaving me behind.
Yeah, you were born a farmer.
I love the dirt.
That love of the dirt has turned into his life's passion, and now Jordan and his wife, Mia, are raising the next generation of farmers with that same love of the land.
I like working with my dad, and I get to drive a lot of stuff like tractors and his pickup.
So cool.
And help moving equipment.
What is something that you don't like?
For me, there's really nothing that I don't like about it.
Oh, that's so good. How does that make you feel when they really love it, obviously?
Well, obviously we haven't worked them hard enough.
These potatoes are harvested and sent to area processors, finally ending up on our plates at home.
Everything we do is direct delivery, so we'll start planting like the first week of March. Usually have everything wrapped up and out of the ground mid-September.
And direct delivery, what exactly does that mean?
So we don't take anything that comes out of our field and store it. It all goes right to the plant. The plant puts in an order the day before. They want their 40 semis in a 12-hour window, and we make that happen, deliver it to them, and then within another 12 hours, they've got them made into French fries, hash brown, form product, whatever they're gonna do. I love to be able to raise a crop that I can walk into a restaurant and say, hey, there's a good chance we raised that. You know, take the kids to McDonald's and dump out the French fries and say, hey, you know, there's a possibility these came from our field. That's neat to me.
Do you know what, like, the perfect potato looks like?
You wanna go dig one up and see?
Let's see what we can find. It all starts with the perfect plant.
Step on it. Okay, pull it back. So there's some future French fries.
Future French fries, those look pretty amazing, huh?
All right, see if I can not cut my finger off. But you hear that snap, that means you got what I'd like to think good solids and a clean white potato right in the center there, so there's no problems, no brown spot, nothing. That's
so
when you get that
snap
good.
Is good too,
Yep.
we heard.
Yep.
How do you like to eat potatoes?
I don't like potatoes.
Really? You don't like French fries?
I like French fries.
So where do you think the French fry comes from?
A potato.
That's awesome. I love it.
I always tell my friends at school, because they're like, don't your dad grow potatoes? I'm like, yeah. And they're like, so he ships them to McDonald's? I'm like, yeah. And they're like, well, tell him his potatoes are doing really well.
That's right. Well, that's a good compliment.
Yeah, exactly.